Like most things in our living spaces, dust and dirt can settle on your air conditioner. The pre-filter in your AC helps to reduce the amount of large particles entering the system. Next, an air purification filter removes viruses, bacteria, and smaller particles. The heat exchanger inside your AC unit can become coated with dust, making your AC less powerful over time. FrostWash technology helps to maintain the performance of your AC for years to come by freezing dust and dirt, melting it and washing it away. FrostWash is 3 times better at maintaining airflow performance than AC without it. It can also prevent 99% of viruses and bacteria and 95% of mold, so they don't get into the airstream. Finally, targeting remaining pollutants in the air outside the unit, active ion emits harmless charged ion particles into the air, which binds to pollutants, neutralizing them. This unique combination of technologies is up to 99.9% effective on viruses, including SARS-CoV-2, 99% effective on bacteria, up to 86% on odors including formaldehyde, and up to 97.1% on allergens. Sometimes the weird smell in the aircon is caused by mold and bacteria growing inside the unit, because internal components can get damp from normal operation. Hitachi Air Home features a mold guard function, which gently blows air through internal components after each usage cycle, preventing the buildup of mold and bacteria. Air Home helps to keep the air fresh with multiple air purification technologies.